The idea that health is the new wealth is hard to argue against. In the past 2 years, each of us has learned firsthand how important our health is and how important it is to make it a priority in our daily lives. Because of this, I'll tell you some easy ways to improve your physical health. So without further ado, here are 10 simple ways to improve your health and fitness. Number 10. Drink more water. Doesn't that make a lot of sense? How many of us actually take the time to drink more water throughout the day, even though many of us say we know it's good for us to do so? Men should drink about 15.5 cups or 3.7 liters of fluid every day, while women should drink about 11.5 cups or 2.7 liters. Dehydration, which can happen when you don't drink enough water, can make you tired and give you trouble digesting. If you drink enough water, you won't get dehydrated. Increasing the amount of water you drink throughout the day is a great place to start getting healthier. Number 9. Stretching is a good way to improve your physical health. Stretching regularly is one of the most underrated ways to improve your health and fitness. Even though most people know that cardiovascular exercise and strength training are good for them, many people still think of stretching as an afterthought or a good to have. Still, stretching is important for the healing process, for preventing injuries, and getting more blood to the muscles. It may also help endorphins get out of your body, which may help you feel less stressed and more at peace. Number 8. Make sure you get enough exercise. Setting a goal of 10,000 steps per day is a good rule of thumb if you want to improve your health. Depending on who you are, you should try to take a different number of steps each day. Increasing your step count is linked to a number of health benefits, such as better cardiovascular health, more stable blood sugar levels, and even better brain function. You could try doing more short bursts of walking throughout the day by taking the stairs, walking instead of taking an Uber, or walking with coworkers instead of meeting with them. Number 7. Eat more greens. Green vegetables like spinach, Swiss chard, and broccoli are full of micronutrients, vitamins, and carotenoids, which are all types of antioxidants that may help protect your cells from cancer. A small amount of carbohydrates, a lot of fiber, and a lot of iron and magnesium are also in them. If you want to up your nutrition game, try eating at least one green vegetable with each meal. Number 6. Cut down on how much alcohol you drink. Even though most people in our society think of drinking alcohol as a fun way to unwind, relax, and connect with others, drinking too much of it can be bad for almost every part of your body. For example, drinking alcohol can make it hard for your brain to think straight, change your mood, hurt your heart, liver, and pancreas, and even cause cancer or weaken your immune system. For women, binge drinking is when they have more than 4 drinks in 2 hours, and for men, it's when they have more than 5 drinks in 2 hours. A woman who drinks more than 7 drinks a week and a man who drinks more than 14 drinks a week are said to drink too much. Researchers have found that there is no safe amount of drinking alcohol for the brain or the body as a whole. You can cut down on how much alcohol you drink by not drinking at all during the week or by switching to healthier drinks. Number 5. Don't eat foods that have been processed. Regularly snacking on chocolate, sweets, and chips can be fun, but it's harder to enjoy these foods when you think about how bad they are for your health. Processed foods are usually very tasty, but they are also high in sugar, oils, salt, and inflammatory fats. This makes it easy to eat far more of them than what is necessary, even though they don't meet many of the body's nutritional needs. If you want your physical health to get better, you should try to eat as little junk food as possible. Switch to healthier foods or eat less of the junk food you usually eat to make your diet better. Number 4. Pay attention to sleep. Getting enough good sleep is another important part of health that people often forget about. Depending on your age, the number of hours of sleep you need each night can vary, but on average, adults need between 7 and 9 hours of sleep each night. A top priority should also be good sleep hygiene. This can be done by making sure your room is as dark as it can be, that your mattress and bedding are comfortable, and that you turn off all digital devices at least 30 minutes before you go to bed. For full recovery and restoration, you must get a good night's sleep. Not getting enough sleep has been linked to a number of health problems, such as diabetes, stroke, and kidney disease. Number 3. If you need to, take supplements. Even though we can get most of the nutrients we need from healthy foods, a lot of people aren't getting enough of important nutrients like magnesium and vitamin D. Both of these can help prevent cancer, depression, and an immune system that isn't working well. At your next appointment with the doctor, ask him or her to check your levels so that you can figure out if you need to take a supplement every day. Number 2. If you want to feel better about your body, you should stop smoking. It has been shown that smoking can make you more likely to get a lot of different diseases, like lung cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and many more. If you care about your health, you have no choice but to stop smoking completely. Number 1. Pay attention to growing community. According to a number of studies, having a solid support system of friends and family members is one of the most important factors in maintaining good health and living a longer life. It's possible that this isn't the first thing that comes to mind when you think about the connection between your personal relationships and your physical well-being. If you want to live a life that is truly healthy, you will need a more thorough plan than simply engaging in healthy behaviors such as going to the gym, eating well, and keeping track of the number of steps you take each day. Why it's important to try to improve your physical health. People frequently have the misconception that if they do not take care of their bodies will eventually make them by causing them to suffer from various diseases if they do not. When it comes down to it, if you don't have your health, you really don't have much else to live for, do you? Because everything is interconnected, prioritizing your physical health can have an effect on many aspects of your life, including the quality of your relationships, the amount of work you get done, and how you feel about things in general. Putting your health first can help you feel better about all aspects of your life. Also, it can help people maintain their health, live a longer life, and experience less discomfort. You need to continue to keep your routine doctor's appointments and take any medications that have been prescribed to you in order to maintain the level of health that you currently possess. Even though some of the suggestions might appear to be self-explanatory, it is essential to keep reminding yourself of all of the incredible advantages you can achieve by incorporating even minute adjustments into your daily routine. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.